Life in the cold. Picture a place that is covered by ice. A fierce, strong wind blows often, and the weather is always freezing. This is Antarctica, the coldest place on Earth. It might not look like a desert, but it is a dry place. Antarctica gets less than 2 inches of snowfall each year. Antarctica is a harsh or rough land where it is difficult to live. Scientists are the only people who call it home. Plants cannot grow in the ice. Penguins, seals, and whales are some of the animals that live in Antarctica. How can they live in this frozen, ice-cold land? These animals have special ways to stay warm and find food. The penguin is a kind of bird. Like all birds, the penguin has several layers of feathers. The feathers closest to the body are called down. These feathers are soft, which helps keep the warmer air next to the penguin's skin. Penguins also have fat under their skin. This fat is called blubber. Blubber protects the penguins from the cold air. Penguins stay warm in another way too. When it is very cold, hundreds of penguins stand together in a group. They huddle close beside each other with their bodies touching. They share the heat from their bodies to stay warm. Even though the penguin is a bird, it cannot fly. It has flippers instead of wings. It also has short legs and webbed feet. The flippers and webbed feet help penguins swim. They speed through the water hunting for fish to eat. These birds are graceful swimmers. However, penguins have an odd walk on land. They shuffle or drag their feet on the ice as they move from place to place. Seals also live in Antarctica. They are very much like penguins. Seals also have blubber under their skin. They live on land and swim in the sea. They eat fish like penguins too. However, seals are different from penguins in several ways. A seal's body is covered in thick fur. The fur helps keep the seal warm. Also, a seal has 2 sets of flippers. One set is on its chest, and the other is on its tail. Some whales swim in the cold Antarctic waters. Like the other Antarctic animals, whales have lots of blubber to help keep them warm. Even though these huge animals live in water, they are mammals and need to breathe air. Whales dive under the water to feed on shrimp, crabs, and other small sea animals. Whales must be careful when they come up to get air. If they get trapped under a sheet of ice, they cannot breathe. It is hard to picture a place where it is always winter. Ice stretches out for miles and miles. It is an uncomfortable place for most people to live. Yet the Antarctic animals seem right at home.